Friends, this is RK from RK Share Market and Investments. Thanks for subscribing my YouTube channel and also subscribing my Telegram. And this is a short video on Nifty and Bank Nifty analysis. Which index option will be good for tomorrow? Whether it will be a call option or put option. Which strike price will give you a maximum benefit? This will be discussed in this short video. This video is created only for educational purpose, and share market trading involves huge financial risk, and consult your financial advisor before investment. Let us go to the chart of Nifty. And as this retracement, so lot many people are thinking that Nifty has recovered all its losses which shared during this Feb and March period, but actually it has not even crossed 50% of the retracement. So normally when it retraces back, when it retraces from this 23%, the effect of that drop will be very less, and higher the retracement, the faster the drop will be. So that is what it is happening tomorrow. So you can see the Thursday's high is 9,889, and 50% retracement is 9,880. So exactly kind of made a high at that 50% retracement. And you might have already noticed that SGX Nifty is trading at 9,300. So that is what it is happening, going to happen tomorrow. So it is coming back into the resistance zone of this 38%, and you can expect further fall also. As I used to say, like, it can touch the 7,500 again. There is a very high possibility. I was never bullish on Nifty on this kind of levels, and I was always bearish, and it might go down. So that is what it is going to happen in the next week, because the lockdowns are getting extended, and this will be having a kind of greater impact. And on the Bank Nifty, so Bank Nifty, you can see Nifty has performed up to 50% retracement level, whereas Bank Nifty, it's loading. Bank Nifty, it is a kind of facing resistance at this 38% itself. So Bank Nifty is underperforming compared to Nifty. So Nifty retraced almost to 50% of the drop, whereas Bank Nifty retraced only 38%. So from here it might drop back down to this 20,000 level, and further it may test this support level. So this is the kind of support level which we are talking about, because it took a kind of support at this level. So it might come and touch this support level in the coming days. And coming to the option chain data, because it is not matured that enough, only the initial traders have started, but you can expect this 9,300 and 9,200 levels tomorrow. So this won't give a kind of much impact, because this 9,500, which is the current support level, will be broken tomorrow, and it might act as a resistance for the coming days. And the same thing with Bank Nifty. So Bank Nifty, it might touch this 20,000 levels, and this 20,000 to 20,200 will act as a major support for the Nifty. We have already seen global Nifty, global index SGX Nifty is trading at 9,300, and tomorrow opening session will give a kind of major challenge, and the trend for Nifty opening tomorrow. So what you can expect tomorrow, what will be the ideology? Before that, we will see the Friday's performance. So Friday, my suggestion was 9,550 CE and 9,700 CE. Both of them are like winners. It almost give a kind of, from the opening, it gave you almost 140 and 130 points gain respectively. So huge profit on those two. And also if you come to the Bank Nifty, 21,100 CE and 21,300 CE was the suggestions made on Bank Nifty. So both of these suggestions gave 320 and 370 points gain from the day's opening, and 21,300 is a kind of open low. So it just gave a kind of massive return. So there is nowhere it gave you a kind of loss. Both this 9,700 CE and 21,300 CE, so both gives a kind of massive return, and hope you might have enjoyed this. So what is there for tomorrow? For tomorrow, this is the current closing level, and one can expect, like, the expectation is it is going to drop. So actually I used to take this 9,700 as over here, but considering the drop impact, I just choose 9,200 CE, because if I choose 9,700, it will be way inside in the money level. So not to go inside that, and I'm just this might be like a kind of at the money tomorrow. So 9200 CE, the current price open like closing price is 20 rupees, and tomorrow it might open in the range of around 100 and it might give you a kind of very good trading zone. So from the Nifty, my suggestion is 9200 CE. And going to the Bank Nifty, so Bank Nifty the same thing, and normally I used to choose this 21,300 over here, but considering the drop tomorrow, I am expecting almost 1000 point drop in Bank Nifty, so which will pull down the Nifty to 20,500 to 20,200 300 level, whereas my choice is 20,000 put option with which is currently trading at 103 rupees, so which might trade up to like 300 to 400, but the premium will be little high for tomorrow. So considering that, I chose this little out of the money range. So 20,000 from Bank Nifty, and then 9,200 from Nifty. And then coming to our TLP, so the second batch of TLP is going to start from 11th of May, and these are all the kind of various topics which will be covered. So how this is going to work, so it's a kind of 6 days, so every day 1 to 2 hours in the evening around 6 to 8 p.m. so the training will happen. So after this training, we can have a kind of very good time to explore our concept and to pick some levels for the next day trading, and then you can physically verify all this trading on the next day market. So this kind of training will give you a kind of very good knowledge, and you can have a kind of course correction itself during this 6 days period. So if anyone who is interested, it is just a kind of very small payment, and just it will be closer to your stop loss which you are normally giving into the market. So just pay the stop loss over here and make your profit in the market. So this is where our tagline is. And this Trade Like a Pro, for any kind of queries, bookings and registration, you can contact me on my WhatsApp number which is given over here, and my Telegram channel. Both the numbers and the link is given in the description also. You can join and you can get benefited. Thanks a lot. Have a safe and profitable trading day ahead. Thanks very much. Bye.